Just a while back, I had a regular contributor to the comments section of my videos ask me about the basic beat in a short that I published a while ago, and what follows in this video is a 4-bar transcription of the material presented in that short. And if you like that sort of thing, remember to like, subscribe, so you can come back and get more of this kind of content every Tuesday. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people just like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you're watching the YouTube channel of DrumTipTuesday.com. All right, let's not waste a lot of time. Let's just get into this thing. The way we're gonna do it is in 5 steps. First thing, we're just gonna take each bar individually real slow. Just gonna take a look at them. Then we're gonna put all 4 bars together, play them slow, medium, fast. Fast being the tempo that I presented the material in that short that we're talking about. Step 1, bar number 1. We have straight 8th notes. As with, I think, oh wait, hold on. There it is. We have straight 8th notes, right? As that's gonna be the same for the first couple bars. And we have 2 and 4 on the snare drum. We have the kick drum on beat 1, and then the and of 2. Let's take a listen to what that sounds like, real nice and slow. All right, second bar. We have, once again, all 8th notes on the hi-hat, snare drum on 2 and 4. This time, we have the kick drum on 2 and then we have the last 16th note of beat 3, and then the and of beat 4. Now let's put that on a loop a couple times nice and slow. Bar number 3 sounds suspiciously like bar number 1. You can see a nice theme and variation developing here. We have 8th notes on the hi-hat, 2 and 4 on the snare drum, kick drum on beat 1, the end of 2, but we add the end of 4 to that. But now, bar 4, all right? Get a little fancy here. The hi-hat part is split up a little bit, and you can see, most significantly, the 16th note triplets on the and of 2. We have simply a quarter note on beat 3, and then we have the and of 4. The right hand goes over and hits a crash cymbal. Leaves the hi-hat for the only time during this transcription, right? Yeah, it's the only time it leaves the hi-hat. Play a crash by itself on the and of 4. Very important to note. The kick drum only makes 1 appearance in this whole thing, this whole bar, and that's on the and of 3, right? Not with the crash cymbal. Very important to note that. Snare drum, doing the same thing again. And as you can see, really it's the snare drum that, no matter what else happens around it, just ties this whole thing together. It's 2 and 4 the whole way through. Let's take a listen to bar 4 right now. And now, just gonna slam that whole thing together. 4 bars, 3 tempos. Here it is. But first, the question. What's the hardest thing you ever tried to transcribe? No wrong answer. Comment below. And if you like the content that I provide here on YouTube, then take a minute to click the link in the description to visit drumtiptuesday.com. There you will find detailed coursework, masterclasses, drumless practice tracks, and more that I only share on drumtiptuesday.com. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and check out one of these videos next.